Hello, this is Julie with SVGBoxcuts.com. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble our flip top lid boxes. Each set will come with a base template and a wraparound lid. The base template might look different than this one. We have several variations for base templates depending on the size of the box. There will be a link below so that you can have instructions for assembling all of the template styles. This is our main SVG box base template. After you cut out both your templates, you just want to make sure that you crease along all the dotted lines. Then you'll use glue or two-sided tape on each one of these little tabs here. I actually like to use both because I feel like the glue lasts longer, but the two-sided tape helps while it's drying. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use the tape because it's a little quicker. Just line up your edges. If you have a larger box and it takes longer to dry, lots of times I'll just use these little clips and wait until it dries. After you have your base together, you want to put glue or two-sided tape on the bottom of the base and along the back part. If you use glue, make sure that you get it thin because it will warp the paper if you get it too thick. You then want to line it up along this crease right here, but try to center it so that you'll have a little bit of an overlap around each side and the front. And if you use glue, you might want to put something heavy in there and wait till it dries so that it stays as flat as possible. Then along the back, fold that up. Again, sometimes I'll use a clip to help hold it while it dries. And that is the basics for assembling our flip top lid. You can also put little velcro dots on to help hold the lid in place. The heavier cardstock and chipboard also keeps better form if you don't have any velcro. Our larger flip top lids will have a separate little decorative piece that you can cut out if you wish to use it. It's just so that you have a little more decoration because the lid is so long. And just glue that piece on there if you choose to use it. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me at support@svgboxcuts.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.